Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on your PC using hardware virtualization. First, you will need an Android emulator, which acts like a virtual phone on your computer. To ensure the best experience, enabling hardware virtualization is crucial. This process involves a few straightforward steps, from checking your system settings to installing the game itself. Let's get started with the first important step. To begin, you must enable hardware virtualization in your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings. Restart your PC and press the designated key, usually F2, Delete, or F10, to enter the setup menu. Navigate to the CPU configuration or advanced settings to find options like Intel VTX or AMD V. Ensure this feature is enabled, then save your changes and exit. This critical step boosts emulator performance by up to 100%. Next, select and install a reliable Android emulator. Popular choices include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player, each offering a smooth experience. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator, download the installer, and follow the simple on-screen prompts. Once installed, launch the emulator and sign in with your Google account. This step is vital for accessing the Google Play Store and synchronizing your game progress. Finally, it's time to install and play Clash Royale. Open the Google Play Store inside your emulator, search for Clash Royale, and click Install. The game usually requires around 200 megabytes of storage space. After installation, launch the game and enjoy. You can also customize emulator settings for better graphics, key mapping, and overall performance, ensuring a fantastic gaming experience on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.